How to add multiple clips in one TikTok video. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then go to the plus sign at the bottom. In here, if you're talking about after you take, and if you stop, you can again click on the timer or the pink circle at the part, and in this way you will add multiple clips. But if you're talking about adding multiple clips from your gallery, click on the photos icon at the bottom right. Click on videos at the top. Now select one video and you will be able to select another video as well. And in this way, press on next at the bottom right and multiple clips has been added to one TikTok video. This is how to add multiple clips in one TikTok video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.